Okay, so question number 22, integration from negativity to infinity, exponent negative x dx. So firstly, the step one, you have to integrate exponent negative x dx, where you get negative exponent negative x over negative 1. So you get negative e to the power of negative x. Okay, or you can write as negative 1 over exponent x plus c. So secondly, you have to change this one into the limit. The step 2, you change into the limit t approaching infinity. Since you have two limit, so you have to change either one. The first one will be from negative infinity. Wait, we have to change into this first. We have to change to negative infinity to 0. Usually we use a 0 as a number a. So here is the exponent negative x dx plus 0 to infinity exponent negative x dx. Does it needed to put the infinite value too? It's okay. Infinite sign is okay. So now from here you change into limit t approaching negative infinity. I prefer to use this area because okay, so limit t approaching negative infinity, t to 0, exponent negative x dx plus limit t approaching infinity from 0 to t exponent negative x dx. Okay, so now change into the integration negative 1 over exponent x from t to 0. And then plus with the limit t approaching infinity, negative 1 over exponent x from 0 to t. Okay. So now you have to substitute the value. Substitute the value for limit t approaching negative infinity, negative 1 over exponent 0 minus negative 1 over exponent t. Okay. And then plus with the limit t approaching infinity, negative 1 over exponent t minus negative 1 over exponent 0. Okay. So now here substitute e to the power of 0 is 1. So kat sini kita dah tahu dah negative 1. So negative 1 plus 1 over exponent negative infinity. Plus with the, here is in the bracket. So here is the negative 1 over exponent infinity plus with the 1. Okay, what is the difference between these two? The first one is the exponent infinity. Exponent infinity is infinity. So in this case, this one is 1 over infinity. 1 over infinity is 0. So here is 0. Here is the exponent negative infinity. So exponent negative infinity means 1 over exponent infinity, which is 1 over 0. 1 over 0 is infinity. 1 over infinity is 0. Sorry. Okay, so we go to the last one, which is substitute the value of negative 1 over e to the power of 0, where e to the power of 0 is 1. and then plus with the 1 over e to the power of limit t approaching negative infinity, plus with the negative 1 over e to the power of infinity plus 1 over e to the power of 0. Okay, so this one is negative 1. This one is 1. But here, in here, we get e to the power of infinity is infinity. So 1 over infinity is 0. This one is true. But here, e to the power of negative infinity is actually 0. Okay. So 1 over infinity is 0. So 1 over 0 is infinity. So here is, you get negative 1 plus infinity plus 1. Negative 1, sorry. Negative 1 plus infinity plus 1. So here you get 0 plus infinity, which means infinity diverges.